everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me for the week of Cinco de Mayo, and I'm using this wonderful Fiesta printable by A Charming Plan. I really like the use of pattern on the date covers. It's got a double box, it's got a lot of fun stuff. There is a fashion girl, but it's not overly like in your face fashion girl, which is nice. There's the usual stuff over here. And then I really like that there's skinny washi as well as thicker washi. I really like both of those, and I think I'm going to use them. And obviously a ton of half boxes as well, because you know I love my half boxes. This is a section of cut your own washi. I haven't actually cut any of it yet, but I will. So let's go ahead and get started. I did pull some of my other stuff that I usually use, but I will probably just talk about it when I grab them. So I'm going to start with washi this time, and I'm going to take these skinny yellow cacti, whatever, and I'm going to cut a little flag type of thing at the end, and I'm going to put it up here because I think that is fun. And I'm just going to use my ruler and craft knife to cleanly cut that. I'm just going to extend this dotted line from the edge of the column. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but first I'm going to cover this with some, what's it called, white out, because I'm going to go all the way across, and I don't really want that showing too much. And then I'll use a regular corner flag over here. I went with this mermaidy blue, purple, and teal, purpley green glitter flag because it matches the pattern of the weekend banner, which I will put in once I have done my date covers. So I'll go ahead and do my date covers now, and I'm going to obviously cover the date bar with that. Alright, I like the way that looks. Tried to cover up how off-centered Saturday and Sunday were by moving that up a little bit, but whatevs. Oh no, I forgot I was going to use these. I guess it's not too late to move that. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hydration trackers first, and then I think I'm going to skip the check boxes and just put down the, maybe today or to do. I guess to do. So I put down this underneath, and then to do. It'll be a different color at least. No. All right, well, I'll think about that while I put all of my hydration stickers under. All right, that's better. So looking at it closely, you'd be able to tell very easily that some of these go into the date covers, but I butted my date covers up to the washi, but I wasn't careful to put my washi down so that it was straight. So I was using the dotted line right above the 7 o'clock hour to line up all of these, and the upside of it being the same color as the date covers, it just semi-seamlessly blends right in. And I have decided against using any sort of header at the top, and so I'm going to go with the method of putting my washi down at the bottom, and then I'm going to fill in my commitments for the week, and I'll probably speed you through all of that. And then I will also be putting in, sorry, I'm pulling my washi off while I talk. After I put down my washi and my commitments, which I will probably speed you through, I'm going to randomly put in my full boxes wherever I think they look good, which, who knows, could be anywhere. But yeah, I will speed you through this boring part of hemming and hawing, and I will see you on the other side. here we are back in my A5 binder. I didn't intend to completely just plan without talking the whole way through, so apologies if you were expecting a chatty plan with me. To be honest, I expected a chatty plan with me when I started this, but I just kind of got sucked in and went to it. Obviously, I tried to use a different gauge of pen this week, but I think that the printable paper that I used, when it gets super saturated, it just does not want to accept any more ink. So I had really big issues trying to write on some of these boxes. These were both pens that came in subscription kits from the Glam Planner. This one is a 0.5 millimeter, and I believe this one's a 0.4. This is a Le Pen, and this is my favorite. It's got a little boot on it because it came with a rain themed kit. Yeah, pretty much everything in here is from the printable kit by A Charming Plan. I did add in a few things from Bubba Bear Studios. The little characters are all by Glam Planner. That's Bubba Bear Studios. I grabbed a couple functional things, like this box from, what's it called? Wild Sunshine Company, as well as this glitter box right here. My usual deco. These are the silver foil dots by Adorably Amy. So yeah, I think for now I'm gonna leave Monday blank, a little bit here, here, here. I'll probably end up filling in with full boxes, but I really do want to give myself room to expand and add as needed. My weekend is basically booked, but I really like it. I love the pops of yellow and how it plays off the pink, even though there is a lot of pink in here for my taste. I really like it, and I hope you guys do too. Let me know what you think down in the comments below and what you would have done differently, and let me know what you have planned for Cinco de Mayo. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Follow this spread on Instagram at @ReesePlans, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.